This term, your child has been provided with a knowledge organiser. This is a booklet which includes the most powerful information, vocabulary and concepts that they will be studying in the academic year. We are teaching our students techniques to help them to effectively learn and master the information in the knowledge organiser so that they have this information at their fingertips, ready to apply to whatever question or challenge they are set. So how can you help your child to learn the information in these knowledge organisers? Before we can understand how we learn and remember information to help children learn, it is useful to understand a little about how the brain works. So here goes. We have two types of memory. You have working memory. You use this when dealing with a new question or problem and you have to think hard. You also have long-term memory. This is your stored memories. For example, we all know that 2 + 2 = 4 without having to work this out. Each set of information, such as the plot of a favourite book or your times tables, is called a schema, and each schema stored in your long-term memory uses only one slot in the working memory when you access it. So if you already have your times table schema stored in your memory, you're able to solve multi-stage maths problems mentally because you don't have to work out the times tables bit in the working memory. It means you can use your working memory to problem solve. For example, most adults can drive a car, hold a detailed conversation, and change the radio station at the same time because driving is in their long-term memory. And luckily, there is no limit to the long-term memory. We just need to fill it up. So how can we improve memory to become a subject expert? Cognitive scientists have investigated how the brain puts knowledge into the long-term memory, and we have used this research to compile the most effective techniques that our students can use to remember knowledge to become subject experts. These are in the first few pages of the knowledge organiser. We've also explained these to students during assemblies. One of the best habits that your child can instill in themselves is regular self-quizzing, and this is what we are zooming in on this term. The attached clip explains how to self-quiz effectively using flashcards. Why not watch it now and work through some of the self-quizzing techniques with your child this week? There is even a section at the back of the knowledge organiser where you can complete different types of self-quizzing.